Hi, I'm Jim Blair with Bee Cave Drilling. Today I want to highlight our well maintenance program. If you sign up, we'll come out twice a year and inspect your well system. In the spring, we're getting you ready for irrigation season, and in the fall, we're getting you ready for freezing weather. While we're there, we're going to go through all your equipment and make sure that it's functioning properly. We're going to take a look at the pumps and make sure they're getting the proper voltage and drawing the right number of amps. We're going to look at your controls and make sure that they're set up correctly and read any fault conditions that might have occurred since our last visit. We're going to go through your pressure tank and make sure that the pre-charge air pressure is set up correct for your system. If you've got a storage tank, we're going to look at the equipment inside of that. Things like your float switches that might have a crack. That's a problem that might occur down the road. We want to catch it now. Of course, we're going to look at your system for leaks and make sure that you don't have anything that's going to cause any damage down the road. During the spring visit, we're going to spray an insecticide in your electrical boxes. Now, it's a special insecticide that's designed for electrical boxes, but it's going to keep those pesky fire ants out of your electrical controls. In the fall, we're going to inspect all of your pipe insulation and make sure that it's ready. And we're going to go through all of your freeze protection equipment and make sure that it's functioning properly so you don't get shut down during a freeze. After we finish the inspection, we're going to send you a report that highlights everything we did and anything else that needs to be addressed. That way you know your water system is ready for the coming seasons. And if your well needs service during the well maintenance program time period, we're going to give you 10% off any labor associated with servicing that well. Call us today to see how our well maintenance program can keep your water flowing year-round. And thank you for letting us be your well man.